A new low pressure area in the Bay of Bengal is likely to form by November 29th. According to the India Meteorological Department, the storm is likely to move west northwest towards the Indian coast. There is a cyclone in the Arabian Sea. The India Meteorological Department has forecast isolated heavy showers in Kerala for the next 5 days from November 25th to 29th. A yellow alert has been sounded in 11 districts except Kasargod, Kannur and Kozhikode on Thursday and Friday. There are no barriers to fishing in the Arabian Sea. According to climatologists, the year 2021 was the rainiest in Kerala in the last 6 decades, with the state receiving 110% more rain from the northwest monsoon. The excessive rain has not only wreaked havoc on the state's infrastructure, but it has also put farmers in a bind. According to IMD data, the state has gotten 3,523.3 mm of rain since November 24th. This is somewhat more than the state received during the terrible August 2018 floods, where it received 3,518.9 mm of rain. The maximum rainfall ever recorded was 4,257 mm in 1961. Pathanamthitta district in Kerala got an excess of 186% rainfall during the northwest monsoon season. In the northwest monsoon period for Kannur, it was 143% excess rainfall, for Alappuzha 57%, for Ernakulam 102%, for Idukki 119%, for Kasargod 141%, for Kollam 100%, for Kottayam 119%, for Kozhikode 135%, for Malappuram 76%, for Palakkad 104%, for Thiruvananthapuram 80%, for Thrissur 90%, and for Wayanad 80% respectively. Kerala experienced 409% more rain than typical from January 1st to February 28th. The normal rainfall for this period is 22.4 mm, but the actual rainfall this year was 114.1 mm. Between March 1st and May 31st, the state got 750.9 mm of rain, which is a 108% increase over the typical rainfall for this time period of 361.5 mm. Kerala, on the other hand, experienced a 16% rainfall deficiency during the southwest monsoon season. The state should have gotten 2,049.2 mm of rain during this time period, but only received 1,718.8 mm. Gopakumar Cholel, a climatologist, claims that cyclonic circulation is the main reason for the state receiving extremely high rainfall. He added, the average northwest rainfall is 492 mm and the state received 938.4 mm till November 24th. At present, we can't predict the volume of rain we will receive in the coming days. There's a possibility of the cyclonic circulation turning into depression in the Bay of Bengal within the next 3 days. The state's farmers were severely impacted by the abnormal rainfall pattern, Cholel continued. The coal farmers have been sowing seeds for the last 3 months, but the crop is failing due to extreme rainfall. The change of rainfall pattern significantly affected the farming sector. Cardamom and vegetable farmers are also facing large-scale damage. It is the poor farmers who are the most affected, and it would help to arrange crop insurance in all farming sectors. Kandalur in the Idukki district is one of the most important cool season vegetable growing places. However, due to excessive rainfall, there would be no vegetable harvesting this season in January this year, according to Kandalur Winter Vegetable Farmers Society Secretary Sojan PG. This was a sowing season for the next harvest, but due to continuous rainfall, the farmers have been unable to do their work, he said. The Cheradoni Dam's gates, which are part of Asia's largest arch dam in Idukki, were opened at least 3 times this year for the first time since 1981. The dam shutters were opened as a precaution to contain the flood this year, according to a KSCB dam safety officer, while the dam was opened for 4 times in 1981 for testing purposes. The dam was first inaugurated on October 29th and November 5th in 1981. On October 31st, the shutters were locked, and on November 1st, they were opened, releasing 23.42 mcm of water. Then on November 10th, it will be closed, and on November 12th, it will be reopened. The dam's gates were then opened on November 14th and closed the following day, according to a KCB dam safety official. The dam's most recent log opening occurred in 2018 when it released 1,069.29 mcm of water in 32 days. The Idukki dam shutters were opened in 2021 as a preventive measure to control the flood, the spokesman said. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.